What's going on, guys? Today, I was just looking on YouTube and then I saw this guy. He was making a illusion spigot waterfall. I honestly thought that was pretty cool. So, today, I'm going to give that a shot. This is our ceramic bowl and we have a hole in here made from this diamond drill bit. And if we go over here, these are our tools for the day. This is a screwdriver. We got another screwdriver. And then we got a wire cutter here. So this is all of our actual equipment. We have a pump here. And then this is the switch for when we cut it. And we got our faucet here, or spigot. This is actually going to be sitting like up here. Be very cool, so you guys got to watch to the end. This is the quick setting steel reinforced epoxy by Quick Weld. And yeah, let's get started. First off, if this actually turns out good, I'm probably gonna give this to my uncle. But if it doesn't turn out good, then I'll just keep it. I mean, I don't know if anyone want that. So yeah. Alright guys, so here's my vision. I'm thinking if we put these on the sides and if we add the pump here, that'll be like a good idea. And then these rocks are gonna go on the sides, so it'll hold everything in place but not covering the light. That's what these are for. When I use these to cover the light, I'm thinking that it will reflect and bounce off each other for a beautiful look. Yeah. Okay, so we kind of ran into a problem. This hole was way too big, so we ended up finding a rubber grommet and we cut or drilled a hole through it so the wire will perfectly fit inside. Okay, so now we're gonna cut this wire. So there will be half in this side and the other half in this side. And we're gonna send it through and then we're gonna add the switch. And I'm gonna be using these wire cutters. Now we're gonna get the pump set up. So I've cut these off. These are the ones that are pre-cut. And I'm gonna send this through. Alright. It's beautifully through now. So a perfect fit. Okay. So now we have half of it in. And for the other half, I'm gonna have to get the coils out. So first, I'm gonna split it. Alright. And now, I'm gonna use the 14 to rip it off. Now we're gonna have to coil them up and twist them. Now that the copper wires are ready, I'm gonna seal this so we won't have any leaking water. It's been a while now, so I think the hot glue should be ready. And just some security on the sides. Alright guys, now we have to go on the back side. So 100%, no water leaks at all. Perfect. Okay, so now this pump has really great suctioning. So I'm gonna try to center it and press it down. Okay, this should be about middle. And I'm gonna suction it down and get it all tight. This is not going anywhere, guys. Now, I'm gonna start with the decor. I'm gonna add a light on each side. And then, I'm gonna add these river pebbles on the sides. Now, for the really beautiful pebbles. It looks great now. So I really wanted to make this more convenient. So I have a little switch here and I'm gonna start putting these rods in. It's through. And this is through. Alright, now I'm gonna start screwing them down. Alright, let's go on to the next part. Now I'm going to test the pump and the switch just to ensure that everything will work perfectly. Here's some water and I'm gonna put some water in the bowl. Okay, now let's pray that it works. It works! Okay guys, so now we have our clear acrylic tubing. We got our glue for the metal. And we have our drill. So now that we have all of our stuff, our equipment, we can start to drill on the acrylic tubing here. And we're gonna do it just a little lower, maybe like ½ an inch, because the top is where all of our glue will be going. So when the water shoots out, it's gonna disperse in all different sides. Wait, let me get this plastic off. Now that we're gluing metal, we can't use any ordinary glue. So we have JB Quick So we're gonna put both of these and we're gonna mix them together. We just finished the gluing, and now I'm gonna hold it until it gets dry. Here's how it turned out. I'm not fully satisfied with how it looks, but when I turn it on, it works. So the real question is, do you guys think that I should give this to my uncle or should I keep it? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.